Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign into your Frollo's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Frollo's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Frollo application. The official page of Frollo application will appear on the screen. Tap on Login option. On the next page, enter your email address and password associated with your Frollo's account and tap on Sign In. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Your Password Reset link. This is how you can log into your Frollo's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.